1 red dot confirmed. 2 red dots. 3 red dots. 4 red dots. Let's take those stinky old Brussels sprouts from ew, no way to OMG, these are really good. Let's take those smelly old Brussels sprouts from oh my god, gag me with a spoon to wait, these are fucking good. I have here some bacon. This is 4 ounces, 100. I just went blank. I knew this earlier. It's 100.
You didn't put it in there, even though we have it everywhere.
It's 113 grams.
113
That's fine.
grams.
That's fine. I can start right from there. That's fine. One more time. And if I don't do it right this time, I quit. We're shutting down the channel. We're selling everything. I had this dish a couple weeks ago at a local diner, the Piston Diner in Winona, Westville. Bought today. I brought it home, took it off the bone, and shredded the skin. Let me try that again. Shred the skin. All wrapped up in grits in a little bite-sized parcel. And it's wonderful. Parcel. Okay.
Okay, there's another piece for the blooper reel.
Right, there you go. Here we are. They're all cooled out of the pan. I put them on this little board and sprinkled them with cheese. I love using boards like this because I can pick it up and serve it to my guests.
Say that last line again.
My desk. I can eat it at my desk while I bitch and moan about my fucking job.
Oh, there's more bloopers.
Okay, if you enjoyed this recipe, sign up for our newsletter and get new recipes delivered right to your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tack like. Let me try that again.
Wow, 3 bloopers in 1 episode.
Just wait till Sunday. Until next time, everyone. Cheers.